Hey guys, I'm Mitchell, it's Wednesday, and it's a how-to. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Rubik's Cube. Now, I wouldn't say that I'm good at this, but, well, I'm better than most people. Kind of. Let's start. So, I jumbled it up, and we're going to work side by side to fix it. So yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to rotate this, and then this, and now you want this yellow side to be here. So what you need to do is you rotate this, and then you got that, and then you rotate that, so it's just that, and then rotate it so it's like that, and you got your first side. Yay! So after that, you're gonna want to fix, you're gonna want to do the green. So you rotate it. It looks like that. So that's gonna accomplish a lot. But the thing that action made easy was that it's green and orange. That's orange, yeah, and then yellow. So you almost have three sides, and you sort of have red. So and blue, yeah. This and white, yeah. They're almost all fixed. You just need to rotate them accordingly, and then it'll be all good. And then they go good. Yeah, buddy. Okay. So what you need to do is you rotate that. So now you got the whites. Now you got the whites. Yeah, buddy. Okay. So you rotate that, and then you get the white down there, rotate that, and bring it back up. There we go. So then you're almost done with white. So, then you rotate that to fix it, and then you, what do I do? This is really confusing. I'm sorry you have to watch my failure of this, but oh god, what do I do? Seriously, because the red is right here, but it needs to be here. Oh my god, what do I do? Okay, just do that. Oh, where's the blue? I'm missing a blue. Blue on the loose. Blue on the loose. Blue on the loose. Everybody's coming up. Holla! I don't even know what to do. Wait. Yes, I do. No, wait. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I can get blue. Okay. Okay, I've got blue. Oh god, now I have H's everywhere. Oh god, what do I do? Oh my god. This is the worst thing. You know what? I quit. Okay, that was just stupid. Stupid. This thing is seriously impossible. Like, can't even do it. Seriously, it's just stupid. Literally, right. Wait. You rotate that. Wait. I think I got something. No!